Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add contacts to Gmail. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Gmail, or go to the top right corner and click on the Gmail here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add contacts to Gmail. So basically, to do so you have three methods. The first one can be using Google Contacts. So go and type in Google Contacts in your browser, or just go and click on follow this link that I'll be giving you now. Then create your contact at the top left. Then choose create a contact or create multiple contacts. Enter your contact details, name, email, phone number, etc. and click save. You can also add contacts from email, so you can go and open email as I told you here. Hover over the name on the email. Click more info in the pop-ups like add to contacts. If needed, click edit contacts to add more details. And that's how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.